But I plan on, yo, you know what would be super cool? What if you could take the AI model? First, we got to understand like how like what can the AI model like what it needs to have the data that it's able to read, right? Like it needs to understand like the file structure so it understands it better because you can't just like really just I mean you can but you like it's better if you make the data better. It'll be just that much better because it's not having to do as much. It's not having to do like work as hard. I don't know how you know how to do all this stuff without using ChatGPT to help. I mean, I have zero coding background. No, honestly, to be honest with you, I still do use Gemini a lot and like other AI models, but I've gotten to the point where I've typed it in so much now. It's just like, you know what I mean? It just comes with it now. So I just remember like what all these little commands are used for. I do it every day now because I mean I stream and do this stuff, you know. Alright, I switched all those over and got the YouTube stream working, so that's good. So, all right, so something's going on. P.S. Uh, these are machine. So here's our PIDs for these three. This is perfect. We have our PID for our AI model, and then the actual server itself, which is the MCP server, and then why is the like I want to know why. I don't understand why it's not. It's got to be wrong VPN. I'm on wrong VPN. I downloaded the wrong VPN somehow. It's got to be that. What else would it be? I'm not on. Yeah, I'm not on anything there. Okay, hold on. I've got to find the right VPN. United States, US. All right, what if we? Um, yeah, this isn't. I'm trying to. I'm kind of confused because this is the right VPN. I should not be getting confused on stuff like this. Let me. Looking on Hackbox now to see, because the machine is up and running. What if we do this? What if we throw on our VPN for machine US3, right? Connect this. Okay, gave us that, and then we just open up a. See? Works on our Windows machine. Let me try some. I got an idea. Watch this. Because where was that at? Oh, this. I forgot. It's just this GUI helps you find it so much easier. Is there not a way like for me to be able to find the file? Okay, look. Machine US3. That's literally what we downloaded though. Like look, machines US3. Is there one that's just machines US3? I don't think so. Yeah, right here. Copy as path. Go here. But this is the thing though, is like it's the same, I don't know, whatever. So we'll remove think this is how you do it, right? ls. Yeah. So we have our here, and then we'll do go back up. So CP, run it right here. Downloads, and then no, we could just do just right there. Bam. Cannot stat. No such. Machine underscore US dash 3. Okay, I have to see what we forgot. There it is. Open. Machines. Yup. Now, background it. That's what it was. It's, I guess, somehow those are two different separate VPNs, and we just, I don't know, but it's working now. So, all good. Did you want to update your, yeah, oh damn, yo, that's cool. So, okay, oh damn, yo, that's cool. So when it's in use, it's just enabling the VPN too. Wait, what do you mean, real quick? So, when it's in use, it's just like whenever I call, like use the sudo open VPN. I wouldn't use that title on YouTube. Wait, what title was it on YouTube? Oh, should I make something like better? Because people are probably gonna look at it and like, oh, I'll probably get banned, huh? Yeah, that's how you open it up. So I don't know how much you know about Linux commands, but so in Linux you can do sudo, which allows you to basically run a super user, but I didn't need to because I was root already, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I've had my channel terminated like twice. Oh damn, that's crazy. I'll have to go and rename it. But it wasn't the title. Yeah, that's wild. I don't know. We better stop painting this box. But oh no. Okay. But I did get banned mid live stream for. They just love terminating channels. Yeah, that's crazy. That actually sucks. All right, so that's what it ended up being. It just ended up being a wrong VPN. We got it now, so we're good. So now we just need to go to. Okay, so let's finish this stuff off for this other model down below. So here we go. So what we'll do is. All right, so what we'll do is we're going to set up a watcher workflow, and what this allows us to do is to basically pipe everything into our terminal. So if we run an nmap, we can then, whenever we get the results back, we can have the AI model grab our results within our terminal and go ahead and start doing its analysis over what we're running so that we can kind of have it do research looking at protocols that are potentially open that we can kind of enumerate a little bit more, or if we need to pivot somewhere else we can. But so basically there is a all right, let's jump back down here. Let's kill this, jump back down here, hit slash by, clear this. So we do tail, but hold on, I want to see something. So what if we're using tmux though? If we're using tmux, this might be different. So how does this work for tmux? Like whenever you run tmux, does it spin up another PID for another bin bash shell, or You know what I mean? I'm kind of curious on how that works. I would assume so because it's a whole nother terminal, you know what I mean? And the history in the terminal doesn't replicate between the two. It's like it's its own separate version. I legit love stuff like what you're typing, trying to do, as in just learning how to do things. Dude, yeah, just get a Linux machine, WSL, or whatever, man. Just hammer at it. It's fun, bro. I gotta go. I'll catch you again soon, I'm sure. Good luck. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Take it easy. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Man in the middle. I need to go live on TikTok too. What? That's crazy. Pi, where did you read that at? Was Subnautica? Wait, Pi, let me know. I like these. These are fire. I want my own of these. I want my own of these so bad. That's the Minecraft sword, isn't it? These are fire, bro. I love like pixelated like stuff like this. It's just something about it. No matter what year it will always be, I'll always love the pixelated images. They look so fire. That's actually crazy though. I never knew that. Have a nice one, dude. Yo, take it easy. I appreciate it. W emotes with the lightsabers. Those are goofy. Uh, beat it, beat it, beat it. Wait, Unknown Worlds have a video policy saying you can monetize through YouTube and Twitch, so it's fine. Oh, is Unknown Worlds the guys that made the game? Unknown Worlds is like that's a W like franchise name, low key. Justin, did you see my last message in chat? Like on Twitch? I think so. You said that you're gonna ask Dylan and them to play fast with you tonight. So, since we're using T-Mux, I think, let me see. So I guess so. Tmux basically contains its own text buffer, so it doesn't matter. So we can it literally we could just still pipe it. Actually, we could scrape every single panel too by using the tmux capture pane command apparently. So let's see here. So let's do this. So if we do it, tmux capture. So we would have to. So I'm gonna tell it to analyze. Analyze the in-map scan from above. I'm just gonna say analyze the in-map scan, right? And then before we actually send that off, I'm gonna do in-map -c. Then we're gonna grab our IP. Bam. And then once it The only thing is, like, I wish there was a way we could do it in real time. Maybe if we could have it like verbose every time. Uh, no, I don't think so. Oh well, I mean that came back super fast. So we got what? We got SSH, and then we got a web server, and it's on 80. Now actually, something else is going on here too with 443 and 8080. So let's see here. So now let's jump back down to the bottom terminal. Let's go ahead and tmap capture, and we'll call the AI model, and we'll tell it to analyze and map scan. So we'll see if it gets the actual. It does. Look at that. Dude, that's badass. Check that out. Yo, that's super cool. It literally, yo, that's so dope. So now we could literally work with it. That's badass. Come on. Justin, did you see my yep. Yo, Show Goes, were you in here to see that? Dude, that's badass. This is gonna help out a lot. No, before that? I don't think I saw that. What'd you say? Yo, isn't that dope? That's badass. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Alright, now we just need to. So, how we could do Control B, hit this. Oh. Hey, hold on. Okay. Oh, there we go. And this kind of like breaks it down more in like a readable kind of version. And you can get it to like explain stuff for you too. See, look, like SSH key analysis, it's worth noting that using ECDSA and ED25519 keys is generally more secure than RSA. This specific key's values provided are unique to this host and should be noted for further action. Okay, that's super cool. So now we know we're running an Nginx. So this is super cool. I like this. Ooh, HTTP tile did not follow the redirect to HTTP periodic dot. Okay, so this is the actual domain right here. HTTP is the domain. This is the subdomain of the website. So we can actually go here and see what's going on. And it also is giving us a thing saying like, hey, this suggests that this could be misconfigured or it could be redirecting. So that's cool. That lets us know that as well. And tells us the version of Nginx. I just grabbed it, scraped it from above. Oh yeah, this is dope. This will help if you're like doing a lot of API testing as well. Oh, this is cool too. So like you can also this is kind of, but you got to make sure that the model is updated because what if a new version of Nginx came out, right? And or let's not say Nginx, let's say OpenSSH came out, right? A new version came out, and let's say that we were on an older version, but the AI model says that it's secure. But what if it really wasn't secure and the AI model just wasn't updated, so it never knew that that it was still a secure version and that there was an updated version. So that's why you gotta make sure your AI model is really efficient and up to date because it could mislead you. But I think 9.6 is, I don't know, I don't keep up with all these protocols. There's too many. what I would do is I'd go to Gemini. I'd ask Gemini, hey, can you do a real quick scrape for me and see if there are any older versions for OpenSSH, and or can you just make sure that this version that is running now is up to date? Do it this, and then we'll read our response, see what we get back. No, OpenSSH 9.6 is not up to date. It's currently, see what I'm saying? So that AI model is actually wrong. That's why you got to have a good model to check this stuff for you. So like if I can integrate Gemini within this instead of using that model, it'd be a lot better, because we obviously just found a vulnerability for affecting SSH versions 8.5 through 9.7. And here's the CVE right here. So we might be able to use this to our advantage. $63.87. So you can literally get remote access unauthenticated via SSH. Well, may have just found our way to get into the box. Get the first user flag. I said, are you working the whole day? Yeah, I'm working the whole day, bro. Not our 7 to 5. Working the whole day. I'm working all by myself. Bullshit. Alright, so we'll go ahead and need to add this to our host so we can access it. Wait, get a control B. Let's click this. Show echo. It's IP server. Was 10. Let's grab it from up here. So then what was the right here? Get rid of the slash, just put just the domain, boom, boom, boom. We'll pipe this, and then we'll do sudo t-a, and then we'll call our SE host file, SE host, an S, and bam. Alright. So before I actually do this, I'm going to explain why I'm doing this, just so that you guys can understand real quick. So without actually adding this internal IP, right, to pointing it to this domain name, we won't be able to reach it. So that's why we add it to our local machine, so that our local machine knows, like, hey, whenever I go to this domain, which is mapped to this IP, it needs to know that, because if not, it won't know where to go. It won't know that it exists. So that's why you have to map it. So it's mapped. Now since it said this is mapped now, I want to try something. I guess we'll have to so I guess I think it's Quidgy. I think that is Google Chrome, and then the IP. No, that's not right. It's just Google Chrome dot, maybe just dot exe in it. Nah. Make me feel like a living. And my elbow was hurting from pressing against this damn chair. Oh wow, you know what's cool? Actually, I'll do this real quick. So, this kind of slows me down a whole lot, and I didn't want to do this, but we'll do it because then it kind of gets us into having to use both OSs. I guess I'll start doing this every time. I really kind of didn't, I kind of despised it just because but like this is the thing too, it's going to help me out, like help me understand both OSs better when trying to go through these. So I think you have to go here, Windows, and it's in System, no, Windows 32, and it's in drivers, etc. Host. Open with code. Then go here. We could just copy this. Bam. Paste. Run it as admin. Save it. Try as admin. Yes. Bam. Now open up Windows Terminal. Oof, we might not be able to because I forgot to the VPN. Yeah, no, that's a terrible idea. So hold on. Um, did you say we're not playing games? Yeah, I'll probably play Subnautica 2 later, but I don't plan on playing anything. Like, wait, Shauna, what time did they close? Shauna, what time does that coffee place close? Oh, it's too late to go up there, huh? You don't want to go up there still? We could go up there real quick. Why not? What is Google Chrome? Make default? Yes. Don't tell me I have to sign in. Don't sign in. I don't like this, because then what if I want burp? Like, I'll never be able to use burp this way. Like, I have to keep fucking putting the extension on, because it runs a whole nother instance every time. Whatever. Because if this is a web application... Alright, cool. There it is! What the? This looks like a Minecraft. So since we know that we have a web app too, we can also run it's called a what web, and then we could type it in, which HTTP, boom, 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 which we already know what stack it is because it told us in the nmap scan, but this is another cool way to find out what stack. If you wanted to know, the HTTP, right? Bam, bam, bam. Wait, hold on. HTTP. Oh, I might just hang. There it goes. So it literally tells you, hey, it's HTTP server. It's using HTML5. Here's the IP of it. It's PHP. Tile, my Minecraft server, and it's powered by it's so PHP 8.4, and it gives us the so I don't know if that's the exact version. I'm assuming it is. And then right here, this X powered by 8.4.8. This is the proxy. So it's actually the reverse proxy for the backend. So hold on. This is like messages coming in that are coming in from the spin up of that Google Chrome instance. Let me figure out how to actually get rid of this. So let's foreground this real quick. And then so we'll take Google Chrome. So I guess we can take all of the error messages that we give it and we can throw it into that dev null to slash, oh my gosh, null to. Alright, wait, so let's background it, I guess. Then we can do a clear. Oh. I think this shell might be broken. Also notice in the web application, there's a change log. Let's go check this out. Build another domain. Ah, look at this. Looks like just by searching that, we get another. So I wonder if, damn, this is considered critical. That's a rip. But it's for a specific version, and this is the version. And there's a MariaDB back. So there's a DB for MariaDB, so we need to look for that. Alright, so let's jump back over here real quick. Let's also start enumerating some endpoints, right? So let's go ahead and do stuff. So just, alright, so now Google Chrome dev null to greater. Now we can open that PID up, and now we shouldn't get any errors. So yeah, we should be good now. So now we can throw our there we go. There's that change log. Then Bro. I wonder if it'll give me the command to run it. Alright, so path to wordless would be what user share wordless do checklist, we'll do discovery, and we're going to do web content, and we'll do direct. Wait. Damn, it's going through these quick. And we didn't find shit with that. There's no, like, I see Dirtbuster lower. I guess Dirtbuster dash 2007 directory list big tabs. Yeah, so we'll hit on this. Let's go sudo apt. Fuck, nothing was fucking updated. Like, HTML, public, HTTP access, HTTC, HTML var, password, HTML. So we got 200 on. Yo, what up, Astro? Alright, so we still weren't even able to find the endpoint we needed. Mark, you want to go to the Walk Fitness Center and work out?
Yeah, me too. We fixed it. Here, look, is it all good right now? Flip it over.
Not good. No, it's not good.
No, it's about to be good. This is ridiculous. You ruined days off and shit. You can't even go biking anymore. This is really tall. Johnny, please. Help me hold the bike. Hold the back. Hold the bike. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, don't let go of it.
Stop, don't hurt me.
You go ride and see it'll go on the gear.
President. Yeah, we can try.
Set it up. This person's bike is flipped over the other way. Why is this person's bike flipped the other way? You got cooking. Is it like why didn't you use Josh, I think that was your problem. The video I just sent you, and now it's all fucked up. So you check that first. Go to TikTok and put that video I just sent you. And then you go to the OR like too.
Can you help me?
I knew that. I knew that. Can you help me learn this kind of?
What? No.
Okay. Should I get gloves on? Got a lot to say, got a lot to say. What's good? Alright.
Just make me
just human nature. It's just human nature.
Why do you say that?
Because it says, because he was staring at a girl. She called me staring. It's just human nature. What? And he's a guy. He's not fucking gay. See, you were about to fuck me up.
We put it on the next one.
Kevin?
Yeah. Put it on 8.
Eight.
You just did something wrong.
You told me to put on 8. I went back up to 8.
Put on 6.
Okay.
Alright. I'm going to look to see what's going on. Tighten your thing, or you loosen yours up a little bit. You loosen it. You put it in 9. Now put it in 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
That's the video I sent you. If it doesn't go into the higher tier, a higher preset. I don't know, go back at the video. Way too There. Thank you, Connor.
Bring it down all the way to 9. 9, 8.
No, Clint. 7, 6, stop. 4, 5.
So we're 9, 8, 7, 6. 5. Loosen your knee real quick. Just a little bit.
Okay.
When I struggle,
5.
throw it back down to 5. Go back to 5.
And he's still in 5.
That's doing 6.
It's going from 5.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Is that 5?
5.
Let's go to 6. Ooh, look at that. 9, 8, 7, 6. Go to 5.
4.
Go to 4. 3. 2. 1. Mike, you're on 3.
You got it, Mizo.
God, that was a pain, wasn't it? This takes so much time.
So much time, Mizo.
Why? Why?
It's just human nature.
Finally, bro.
Love you, Debo. I love you. You're so beautiful.
So that took forever, didn't it? It took the days on it.
Oh, we got this book set.
It was $30.
No, thank God we have other people that God made to help us out.
Yeah, Connor. See, you can get that shit during that first fucking game. You get picked through every year but the first and second. And I'll give you that one little piece. Whatever.
Why?
It's just human nature.
Oh no. All kinds of
Are we leaving?
Yeah, we can. We can go. You want to?